edition of our Valentine's Day Home Decor DIY week. Y'all, we are going to use this tray I got from Burlington Co Factory, and if you all watch the Christmas haul, I got this in a Christmas haul and it was broken, and I caught myself fixing it, but it's a little bit crooked, but we are going to work with it anyway, honey. We have to improvise. So we're going to use this diamond, these strips. Well, it was a sheet, but I cut it. So we're going to use that. And we're also going to use these beautiful, absolutely gorgeous gems that I purchased from Amazon. They are so pretty, y'all. So this is going to be a simple DIY. We're going to use this as a cupcake tray for the grandkids. So, because y'all, I don't need no cupcakes. I want them, but I don't need them. So we're just going to start at the bottom, and we're going to start putting our gems, gluing our gems down. My whole thing with these DIYs are that they are as inexpensive as possible to get the look, and that they are simple and easy so anyone can do these. And my reason for doing these early is because if you want to duplicate any of these DIYs, then it gives you time to go ahead and get everything you need to get these DIYs going. Okay, Glam fam. So if you are going to really change out or keep this as permanent, then you definitely would want to use some more heavy duty glue. But everybody knows that I do not like red like that, so I am not gonna use it. So anyway, what we're gonna do is take our this wrap, and we're going to just go ahead and put it on the edges of the top part of the tray. But now I'm just saying, y'all, I don't like red, but I am so outdone with the color of this red. It's so pretty. And the roses, I was like, I don't know, should I make a moon with these colors? Because I'm falling in love. I don't know if it's the Valentine's Day bug, but I'm falling in love with red at this point. Right now, I'm oh my God, it is gorgeous. So I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? Red? I should have did at least a bathroom or something in red. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take our gems and we're gonna place them on the top all the way around. And if you all think that I should do like a kitchen or something in the kitchen with Valentine's Day, like a tablescape or anything like that, if you all would like to see that, then just let me know. I will try my best to do it. Um, I'm not seeing a whole lot of stuff in the stores right now because, of course, it's not even February yet. But Dollar Tree did have some things. Maybe I can just make a coffee bar or something like that. But if that's something that you want to see, like a coffee bar setup or whatever in Valentine's Day, you can just put it into this, put it in the comments, and I will try to make that happen, y'all. You know, it's all about y'all now. Okay, Glamfam. So we went on ahead and put the gems on there, and I just want y'all to know that I had to go off camera and readjust the gems because I didn't have a whole lot of them to do this with. So I just placed some of the gems, and it works out fine. I mean, I'm not gonna keep it forever, so that's the thing. Like, if I was, I probably would order some more to make it look so filled in, but I'm liking it just the way it is. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take just to take some of this. I love the silver like rhinestones, but we're gonna take that and cover it with the red. So this is just to let you all know that this can be done, or give you some ideas on if you already have something. You can just cover it with some of this bling wrap, and then you can just take it off once your little festivities or whatever you got going on is over. So this is just to give you an idea of how you can still change the colors to your occasion, whatever you're having, your event. So I am going to cut this here. So that's all I want to show you is that you can get these. I think I cut it too short, but you can get this in different kinds of colors, different, like, I like the AB. I'm going to probably do something soon in that. So I hope y'all, enjoy that. But anyway, this is just to show you all that you can change the color and make it look a bit different with, I think I'm gonna have to put some hot glue on here, but it's just to give you an idea that you can change the color and make it, how you want it to be. Okay, so this is just giving you ideas on how you can change up, a look or whatever and make it look, glamorous to the occasion that you're trying to produce. Y'all, I am going to come back and show you all how it looks with our cupcakes. Okay, Glam Fam, so this is how the cupcake tray turned out. Y'all, I really do love this cupcake tray. Someone has already asked for it, so I'm going to give it to her. But not the cupcakes, y'all. Those are for my grandkids. They're coming over, so I have to give them those cupcakes. So, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this DIY. If you did, then like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.